In this video, we will teach you how to sublimate on our Gray Blanks sublimation wallet. Alright guys, if you are interested in learning more about sublimation, guys, please subscribe to the channel. If you guys like this video, or if you know for sure that you're going to learn something, guys, go ahead and click the like button. Guys, comment your questions that you have at the bottom and we'll be sure to answer them. Alright guys, now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to measure exactly where the sublimation will be going on a wallet. What we typically do after we measure the sublimation on a wallet is we put that measurement inside of Photoshop, but we add on probably like an extra inch or so, just because we know for sure that if we sublimate on something and we have our letters or our picture or something like that coming too close to the edge, then it's going to get cut off. So what we typically do is we add more backgrounds, and you can see here how you can see the pink is more on the edge and the letters are more in the middle. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start the actual cutting process. Okay, we're done with the cutting process. Now as you can see, we're adding heat tape along the sides of the paper. So here we're making sure that the image does not move while we actually getting ready to press it. All right, I'm going to speed this up. You'll notice on the back, the paper, that is Gray Blanks sublimation paper, and you can buy this sublimation paper on the Gray Blanks website. Before you use your press, be sure to set it at 380, and just remember that when we actually do press, we want to press it for 50 seconds. With the Gray Blanks sublimation paper, you'll notice that we don't have to put down any butcher paper on top right before we press. And the reason why we're not putting any butcher paper is because the Gray Blanks sublimation paper does a really good job of making sure it does not bleed and leak over into your press. And now we are done. This is how it looks when we peel back the sublimation paper. And like I said, this is Gray Blanks sublimation paper. You can find it on the website. Let's just go ahead and remove the heat tape, and let me show you how it looks when it's fully done. Alright guys, and we are done. So because we are done, I like to say thank you for watching the video, and if you can, go ahead and leave a like on the video, and also subscribe for more content on how to sublimate. Alright guys, thank you for watching.